Here it is. The Carolina Reaper pepper. 2.2 million Scovilles. I can't. Ah! Look at that. You see that? Okay, wait, how much of it should I eat?
The whole thing?
The whole thing,
the whole thing. Put the whole thing in.
No, I'm not eating all of it. Okay, here, I'll take a little bite. If it's not too bad, then I'll eat more.
No,
it's gonna be bad. That's the whole point.
I don't want the whole thing. I'm gonna die.
Chew it. Chew.
Oh my god. Ah!
Don't spit it out.
Oh my god. I swallowed it. All right. Fuck. Okay, foundation. Oh my god. Ah, okay. Wait, I need a mirror. Someone give me. Hold on, I have a mirror. Oh my god, I'm not using a phone.
Hey, hit record on the phone.
Oh my god. Holy fuck. Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Oh my god.
Maybe you need a little more pepper.
Maybe another bite to balance it out.
No, I can feel it in my lungs. Oh my god.
Foundation is barely covering up how red your face is.
Are you serious?
There's a spot above your eyebrow. Yeah.
That's the concealer. Oh my god. It's hard to breathe. Oh my god. Why did I do this? Where'd it go?
Now we'll tap the home button.
Oh yeah.
Press record.
No.
So it stays in that.
I don't want to. Okay, I'm just covering my blemishes. My lungs, I can't, dude. I can't. Ooh. The fucking sucks. Anthony, I hate you. Why?
You're welcome.
Oh, shit. Okay. Blush. I'm using Juice Beauty's the organic solution. Oh my god! It doesn't go away at all. It's not getting better. Contour. Oh, wrong. Oh my god. It hurts mostly in my lungs and my mouth has gone numb. Fuck!
I bet you won't take another bite though.
No, I won't. It's time for eyebrows. Is there a mirror in here? Okay. Woo! Is this gonna give me lung cancer? Fuck!
Your lips are hella red though.
Are they?
Yeah.
You didn't even put lipstick on.
My nose is dripping. This is the worst thing I've ever done. Okay. Eyebrow gel. This is easy, right? I don't care. This is as good as it's gonna get. Why is it? It's not getting better. It's getting worse, I think. Fuck. I'm trying so hard not to cry right now because I don't want to ruin my makeup. It like goes away and then it's like, ah! How long is this shit gonna last?
Half an hour, I think.
Apparently 20
Half an hour?
20 to 30 minutes at least.
Oh, how long has it been, do you think?
We were at 11 minutes.
It feels like it's been half an hour already. Ah! I'm trying to keep my composure and not cry right now, but it really hurts. Oh my fucking god. It's not getting better. Like at all. Oh, ice cream. I don't know. I can't even think. What's next? I'm shaking. Can you see me shaking? How am I gonna do this?
Sounds like you're taking a fetch.
I know. Let's do it. Just, I want to get this over with. It hurts to breathe so bad. I'm like, okay, I'm okay. Okay, last step. I'm doing it. It's not going away. It's not getting better. Why would it? When will it get better?
Yeah.
You're like halfway
14
through.
more to go.
You're halfway through.
Okay, here we go.
How your lips feel?
Oh, my lips are fine. It's my tongue, my throat, my lungs. Oh, it sucks. How do I look? Thanks for watching. Oh my god. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly videos. Follow me on all my social media down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh.
You need some aftershots. You need some aftershots.
Cut.